Good day everyone, you are welcome to today's class. Today we want to solve problem on logarithm leading to quadratic equation, and we are going to apply the laws of indices likewise. Okay, let's see what's on the board. The question says we should solve log x base 3 plus log x minus 8 base 3 equals 2. When you are using one log to represent the two logs, you are going to change addition to multiplication at the index. Now have log x multiplied by x minus 8 base 3 equals to 2. Now have log, let's open the bracket, x times x, as x squared, x times minus 8, as minus 8x, that is log x squared minus 8x base 3 equals to 2. Now I want to apply one law of indices that says when you have log b base a equals to c, now a raised power c equals to b. I want to apply the same law. Now you have d, in this case you have our a to stand as 3, our 2 to stand as c. Now x squared minus bx stand as b. Have x squared minus 8x equals 3 raised power 2. That is 3 raised power this 2. Okay, still the same thing when you write b equals a raised power c. Now x squared minus 8x equals 3 squared. That 3 squared means 3 times 3. Some students make mistake by saying 3 times 2. It's wrong. 3 squared means 3 times 3, which is 9. Now let's turn it to an equation. We take this, we want to solve for the unknown letter x. We now take 2 across, take 9 across the equal sign, becomes x squared minus 8x minus 9 equals to 0. Now the coefficient of x in this case is 1. Multiply the coefficient of x squared with the constant minus 9, which is minus 9. Now think of two numbers, and when you multiply the numbers together, it will give you minus 9, and when you add it together, it will give you minus 8. And let's try the number we multiply together. Now we're having 1 plus minus 9 will give you minus 8, which is what you have as a coefficient of x. Now replace the coefficient of x minus 8 with 1 and 1 plus 1 and minus 9. Now have x squared, instead of writing 1, we write it as minus x, but there's 1 at the front of x, we don't need to put 1. Sorry, it's plus x, I see 1 plus x, plus 1x, minus, you don't need to put this positive, because positive and negative give you negative, minus 9x. Now come to what you have as a constant, minus 9 equals to 0. Now let's factorize. Out. What's common between x squared and x is x. Bring x out, remain 1x, plus x goes in x is 1. Let me show you how we got this x. When you factorize x out, you now say x squared divided by x. Let's cancel x. We have 1x. And when you factorize x out, you have x divided by x. X goes in x, that is 1 time. Okay, minus what's common between 9x and 9 is 9. Minus 9, you have x left, negative and negative turn to, when you have negative outside, you multiply it with the negative, with the sign inside. Negative times negative give you positive, How many times can 9 go in 9? One time. You see it equals to 0. Anytime you're solving a problem like this, and what's in the bracket, they are not the same. It means that there's a problem somewhere. Now, we pick one of the x plus 1, and write the expression outside, x minus 9. X minus 9 equals to 0. Now say x plus 1 equals to 0, or x minus 9 equals to 0. Now let's collect the like terms. X equals 0 minus 1. When you take plus 1 cross equal sign turn to negative, or x equals to 0 plus 9. When you take minus 9 cross equal sign turn to positive. X equals 0 minus 1, that's minus 1, or x equals to 0 plus 9 is 9. Now, the value of x, therefore, the value of x equals to 9. This cannot be negative because the value of x cannot be negative. Pick the value that is positive to be the value of your x. That brings us to the end of the class. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more updates, and also don't forget to leave your question in the comment section. Thanks for listening. See you in the next class. Have a wonderful day.